Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices settled lower as investors took a more mixed view towards the loss of Russian refinery capacity after recent Ukrainian attacks. The Canadian dollar was little changed against its US counterpart, with the currency holding near a 3-month low, as the Bank of Canada highlighted Canada's recent history of weak productivity growth. Federal prosecutors in Manhattan charged cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin with violating US anti-money laundering laws, allowing billions of dollars in illicit funds to be transferred since its founding in 2017.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bank investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.